In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model a handsaw. To follow along, you need to activate an add-on called Add Curve Extra Objects that can be found under Edit, Preferences, and Add-ons. I'll post a link to this tutorial's reference image and texture file in the description below. This tutorial video doesn't have a on-screen keystroke display known as screencast, because it tends to frequently crash my Blender when I'm working with curves. Also, the video was time compressed in order to prevent the video from running for too long, as the additional time was resulted from a repeated process of handling the curves. We need to create a curve point, and press the 3D button. Please turn off the normal indicator. We'll start from here. Please remember to select the two last points, and press F to fill. We need to select the sharp edge points and press V and A to turn them into smooth edges like this. We need to duplicate this curve and use proportional editing tool to move the edges like this. Please duplicate the top curve and bring it down, so we can either loft it or bridge edge loop it. Lofting doesn't work well here. Please try the bridge edge loop method instead. That was close. We need to poke this face, so we can boolean the hole without any issues later. We need to create a boolean curve. Since this mesh is not quad-based any longer, we won't be able to create any further bevels. Time to create the saw blade. We'll use an array to duplicate the blade teeth shape. Again, we'll have to leave the handle that way, because non-quad meshes can't be modified easily. Time to add the textures. We can switch to the cycles renderer and change the handle's material setting to displacement and bump. Please project from View UV Unwrap to get more details. We can rotate the HDRI's sun position like this. We need an additional light source. I'll use a plain mesh with the emission shader. We can build a light bouncing wall by using a plane like this. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with Filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. This is the end of the hand saw modeling tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.